If you are using a Windows 8 PC, you can install Windows XP, Linux, Ubuntu, Android, Vista, Windows 7 or Windows 8 with a virtual machine. Now let's find out what is a virtual machine. There is a pretty article about virtual machine in Wikipedia. Here is the Wikipedia article. It's defined virtual machine as a software implementation of a machine that executes programs like a physical machine. You can see large number of virtual machine softwares after following the link in the content. But I highly recommend you the Vmware Player, because it's completely free and easy to use. To download the Vmware Player, make a Google search for download Vmware Player. Click on the link from Vmware Player official download web page. Now download the latest version of Vmware Player supporting to your operating system and its version. After the install, launch the Vmware Player. Now we are going to create a new virtual machine. Click on the Create a New Virtual Machine button. In next window, choose whether you install the operating system from an image or from CD/DVD. And give the location of that image or disk. You don't need to fill the information in this area. Just choose the name of operating system. No need of give a production key. Just click Yes to continue. Then give the location where to install the files of virtual machine. And type a name for virtual machine. You can configure the disk space for the virtual machine here. And about the virtual disk, it's better to leave the default configurations. Now you see the all information about the virtual machine. Then click Finish to install the operating system into virtual machine. It will take little time. Here started the Windows 8 setup. Now you have a virtual PC in your PC. You can now install the operating system like the same way installing an operating system to a physical PC. The importance of installing multiple operating systems with virtual machine is, we can install any type of operating system to our PC with a virtual machine, such as mobile versions like Android. And virtual machine is really easy to use. It's take a little time for the whole setup. This virtual machines are really important to software developers. Now you can choose the Windows 8 version to install here. There are a menu bar in Vmware Player. You can control the coordination between the virtual PC and physical PC from there. There are commands to shut down, suspend, full screen, and many more functions to control the virtual PC. Okay, now it's your turn to try out a virtual PC to install multiple operating systems on your PC. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like to hear more, subscribe to the Terabit.